Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a new Cash App card. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you don't already have a Cash App card, then you can request it from the Cash App application. Go ahead and open up the application first, and you might be asked to log into your account using your biometrics or your PIN code. Now, after you use your biometrics or your PIN code and log into your account, you will be taken into your home page where you will be shown all of your available currency. Now, from the home page, if you don't already have a card, you can tap on the card button at the left side of the dollar icon at the bottom section. Now, once you tap on this, you will find the button which says Get Free Cash Card. Go ahead and tap on this button, and now you will be able to choose your card style. If you choose the basic ones, you can get them for free. But if you choose others, you will need to pay a little bit more. So go ahead and choose any of your desired card and then tap on it. Now you also have the option to personalize your card by drawing over any drawing or stamp, or you can tap on the Order Card button to proceed with ordering it. You will then be asked where your cash card should be sent. Now within the address menu, go ahead and type in your full address and then tap on the next button. After typing in your address and tapping on the next button, you can customize your card and proceed with checking out. After proceeding with your checkout menu, you will be able to order your card. Just wait for the mentioned duration and your card will be delivered to you. And there you have it. That is how you can apply for a new card on Cash App. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.